Hello YouTube, I'm back again with another video. Today we are going to wash the Bronco. I got the nozzle gun all hooked up and ready to rock and roll. So let's see what she does. Not too bad. We'll go ahead and shut that off for a minute. I'm running a lot of soap, so we're going to go ahead and get some more water here. Oop, better turn it on. So we got a lot of soap on there right now. Go ahead and clean her off. I don't want no swirl marks. First time washing a Bronco by hand. All right. That don't look too bad. I said I go like this. I don't swirl it. Alright, well that's not too bad. I kind of like that better. The old Sasquatch. Yeah, what I'll do is I'll do one side with you here. And then I'll wash the whole Bronco here. Alright. So now we're going to take off the soap cannon, whatever you want to call it. That thing is tight. I used a lot of soap. I'm using it straight. Go ahead and put on this. Tell you what, this is a little tough putting on for the first time. So now we're going to go ahead and turn it back on. Ooh, we don't want that one. There we go. I think I'm going to put some water in here. Alright. Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and finish up the Bronco. And I'll come back and show you when it was done. Okay, we finished washing the Bronco. And I gotta grab this towel again here. I love this chamois. I love it. Try to get all the water off of this. Oh, see another spot. Alright. Well, the first time using this as a car wash, I never used a pressure washer to wash a car in my whole entire life. And this is the first. So I feel this is pretty good to wash vehicles with because it's not as powerful. You don't really have to worry about rubbing the paint off with the wand with the water pressure. So yeah, I got everything hooked up. This, like I said, this is my first time. We got the cord running in the house. The cord is plenty long enough, the electrical cord. But one complaint that everybody has, which I finally found out from my own experience, that the wand hose kinks up really bad. So I'm definitely going to change that in the future if I continue to wash vehicles. And I see why they said 20 foot wasn't long enough, because I actually had to pick that up and go around the Bronco on the other side to wash it, which is really no big deal in my eyes, but I can see it's a nuisance or whatever you want to call it. But yeah, she turned out pretty good. Now the soap thing, I don't know if I have that dialed in correctly or not. I'm using this car wash. I just filled it up halfway, and boy, I use a lot of it. You know, maybe not to use it straight, I don't know. But besides that, it did wash the Bronco. I'm pretty impressed with it so far. Now I'm going to detail the tires and wipe off the inside a little bit on the doors. And then I'm going to call it good for today. But yeah, she did a good job. Here's the back of the Bronco. Plus I used the bucket to fill up with water to rinse out my rag that I wiped down the Bronco with. So yeah, I didn't do a good job on the Bronco yet. I just wanted to use the pressure washer to see what she does. So if I had to rate this from a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being awful, number 10 is highly recommended and go out and get one now rating, I'm going to say a 6. It's good for the money, and if you're looking for something cheap just to wash vehicles with, I highly recommend this. So alrighty guys, well, I hope you liked the video. If you do, hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already to my channel. You're going to see a lot more Bronco stuff and probably unboxings and stuff like that. So alrighty guys, and again, thanks for watching, and I'll be talking to you.